now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Markix 1 minute. We got the Blue Moon ones. They just dropped today. I really like this shoe. I think it's super clean. They dropped like a 4 pack Jordan 1. 2 of them are only in Europe and 2 of them came to the States. We got the blue and the green. I forgot the other colors, but yeah, you know, to me, I love Jordan 1s, but I love them for the fact that you can wear them, beat them up, and they'll still look good. This shoe I don't think will look like that because it has this like suede material on the back. As you can see, it's changing colors, so won't get a lot of wears out of it. It's not my type. I'll pass. But yes, these are clean. They smell good. So if you can cop, I'd cop.